So this is the bacteria right here, and this is the chromosome of the bacteria, and this would be a bacteriophage. This is the virus that attacks the bacteria. So if we kind of see what's going to go on here, this particular virus is going to, as you can see, inject its DNA into the actual bacteria. And so now this bacteria has its own DNA, and it has the DNA from the actual bacteria. And so if we see what happens from this point on, we'll now see that the host DNA has been destroyed. The base of the phage DNA, the genes in the phage DNA, directed the host DNA to fall apart. And so now the only DNA that's left in the actual bacteria is the DNA from the virus, and I'm sure you can figure out what's going to happen from this point on. Now, of course, the ribosomes of the bacteria are going to be producing proteins. These proteins are viral proteins, and as you can tell here, the phage DNA is going to now code for the production of more viruses, and of course now these viruses are going to at some point explode from the cell, and that is basically the lytic cycle. And of course lytic means to lyse, or it means to cut or break open. So this results in the destruction of the bacteria, and that is basically the lytic cycle. So now we're going to go through the lysogenic cycle. So now this is the lysogenic